Alright, so my dealer got an 8500W on, pretty sure, is this a Midland or is it a CHI?
That's actually Green Northern Door.
Oh. It's 8500W on 9x8 looks like. It's an 880 and got lock. That's 893 max and the remote light up there. This one, maybe. Opening force. Pretty fast. This thing. Right down. And got a T50 up there on a full view. Don't know what size that is. There's the there's the button for that. And we got CHI stuff there. Got this in 8500W LiftMaster here. Get this off. There you go. That's the inside of this. Got buttons, learn, battery in here, lock terminal there. 8587WL. There's double sprocket, no chain spreader on this one. Probably backwards. It's kind of funny. It has the sprocket instead of just the roller on there. All of the programming stuff is on this side, and in here we got there's some sensors and a 893 max remote. Get the fans back on, and this is the WLED. There's that one. That's pretty good. There's all stuff in there. And autofocus got some stuff vertical. This is planks. This is just long panel. Yeah, I got it. These are all vertical lift. Got those four up there. And those are all insulated. No center hinge line on those. Shut that one. That's I think this one's this is basically the same kind of door I have, except that mine's got the inserts up there. Springs are pretty hot on this one. Yeah, springs are hot there. Got carriage house with I think that's a composite overlay. I don't think it's wood. Stuff. There's the inside of that one. And that's yeah, this is exactly what mine look like, just they're white. And they're longer than this one. Yep. So we got high lifts. Those are vertical, and then this is a it's like a 9x8, no styles in the middle. So, got the looks like it's got more individual sections there, but you know, it's got 4 of them. Springs. There you go.